From cabbage soup to bajra soup, 5 winter soups that can aid in weight loss. Find here the rundown of 5 liberal soup plans that could assist you with disposing of those additional kilos. At the point when the temperatures drop, be ready to accept some warm food. What's more, it doesn't generally need to be a plate of inexpensive food or a steaming mug of espresso. During winters, there's nothing very as encouraging as a warm bowl of soup. Regardless of whether searching for a filling lunch or an evening starter, good soups are the best approach. Keep your weight reduction system unblemished with soups. A decent bowl of soup fills your craving as well as improves the body with proteins and minerals that are needed during cold days. The following are 5 winter soups to try for weight loss. 1. Cabbage soup. This one makes certain to grab the eye of numerous who love to savor soups. You can make this wonderful joy utilizing an arrangement of vegetables with cabbage. It's filling, flavorful, and without a doubt an extraordinary gulp that would take your taste buds on a ride. 2. Green pea soup. Green peas are normally sweet vegetables stacked with nutrients and cell reinforcements. Burnt out on the ordinary alumitar at home, it's an ideal opportunity to get your taste buds green pea soup. Set it up whenever of the day absent a lot of problem. 3. Tomato carrot soup. Fresh carrots and tomatoes meet up to make this slobber commendable arrangement. Tomato carrot soup mirrors an exemplary mix of the two food things prepared with gentle flavors. Carrots and tomatoes are coming up short on calories and advance weight reduction. During winters, a bowl of this soup is all you want following a tiring day at work. 4. Chickpea soup. This soup and your weight reduction plan can go inseparably. Chickpeas are loaded with nutrients, minerals, and strands. Counting this soup into your eating regimen will assist you with feeling satisfied and lessen food yearnings. 5. Bajra soup. Bajra soup will assist with keeping your body warm during the continuous winter season. Aside from aiding in weight reduction, this delightful soup likewise helps in processing. It works like wizardry for diabetics just as breastfeeding moms. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.